Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'll be doing my hair today. I won't be doing a lot of videoing, but I'll be twisting it. I won't be doing it too big or too small, and I'll be using Afro Kinky twist here. So this one looks like this with the individual rubber bands around them, and it is Janet collection. It's by Noor, and it's good for a lot of different twists. So this one I'll be using in the back, and now this one is Alitress braid collection, and I'll be using like in the top or at the front. It is Afro Kinky twist as well, and they say it's great for butterfly locks, bomb twist, spring twist, and of course passion twist, and much more. So that one looks like this. They kind of fluff it out already, so this is what the ends look like, rather than this one, doesn't look like that, but they're the same type of hair. So I'll be using this one in the front, and they already fluff it out a little bit, and it's already separated too, so easy to use guys. So keep on watching, and I'll be showing you the finished result, or when I'm close to finish I'll probably give you a clip. So keep on watching. Thanks for watching, and you all stay safe out there. Thanks again guys. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I didn't do them too big, and I did them too small either. So if you can see in the mirror behind me, don't know if you can see it clearly, this is what the back is looking like. I have 8 pieces left, so I'm just gonna do 8 pieces up here, 4 right there and 4 right there. So keep on watching guys. Okay guys, so I braid like this. I start with a braid, like I'm gonna braid my hair, and then I braid it for a little bit, not for too long, your preference, and then I twist. See, now I have 2 pieces, and I twist, and I don't twist it too tight either, because I'm not doing a rope twist. You can twist as loose as you want, how fluffy you want it, so you can twist as loose as you want. So this is what mine is looking like. It's stretchy, see? Yeah, the kinky here, let it look, it's like a rope twist, but it's not. I didn't twist it too tight. It's loose, and you can twist it as loose as you want. But with the other hair, the other kinky hair, those that I put in the back, I think you get them more fluffy. They're both kinky here, but I think this is the other one, this one, that was individually in rubber bands. They tend to be more on the fluffy side. When you don't tend to twist tight, you just twist as loose as you want it. So yes guys, and these, if you want it to be like a spring twist, I think you can twist it tighter, see, and that's how you get it. So it depends on how you want to twist it guys, but 2 different hair, and they look alike. So far they look okay to me. And you don't have to plait from the root either. You can start twisting from the root if you have that grip. But when I do such thing, my hair gets frizzy really quick, easy to pull up. So yeah, and it goes. I think I go a lot faster this way. So again, I do this, put it over the hair like this. Hold on. Okay, like this. Over the hair like this. Hold the hair like this. Well, for me, I push my finger through the hair like that. Grab to the grab a piece with my hair, and then I plait, I braid, like so. And then I twist. Okay, guys, so I'm at the last one. Just gonna show you how I do it again. So I put a little bit of shine and jam. And I work it through the hair, work it through, work it through. Okay, so I do the hair like this. The hair is like this. I hold the hair like this. I do this. I grab the hair like this. So this is a hair. I grab it like that. I put it over it like that. I push my finger through my hair like that. Then I grab the hair with my hair. And I plait like so, like I'm about to braid. I do like so. Then once I get a grip, I change direction and I plait a little bit more. And then this here go under and I hold this here. So now I have two. And then I twist. And I twist. And that's it. See, guys? So that's the kinky twist. And it took me, let me see what time it is. Guys, it took me 2.5 hours to do my hair like this. So it's not that bad. So, okay, guys. So I'm done. To not to have the hair in your face like this, you can tie it back. You can use the same hair and put it back like so. Just give it a little knot and you're good to go. So yes, guys, so you can put it up like so. However you want to style it, you can style it. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and show you the back. So this is what the back is looking like. So this is the back. Yeah. Okay, guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you all so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course, stay motivated.